Welcome to this episode of ClemHillAdventures. We're still on the lookout for some great ideas to turn those cargo trailers and toy haulers into campers' living space that you can also bring your toys with you. I ran across this company called ATC, which stands for Aluminum Toy Haulers. They look like they had some really good products to offer. They also had a lot of great ideas if you want to build your own out of a cargo trailer and make it your own toy hauler. But they have a lot of the build quality that a lot of people go with the cargo trailers because they're trying to find that build quality and cannot find it in your standard RV and toy haulers. So this company had a lot of great ideas, designs. They had a lot of things that could be customized to your specifications for your build. So if you just want to get ideals, or you're somebody who doesn't have the knowledge and know how to do it yourself, but you know you want the quality build that comes with the all aluminum trailers, this might be a good company for you to check out. They appear to offer a 3-year warranty on their product. They had a lot of different design styles, colors, customizable choices that you could make. And they also had some really cool products that you might just be able to order those separately for your build. So let's check them out and see what they have to offer. Thanks for watching this episode of ClemHillAdventures. I hope y'all found these pictures, videos, floor plans, and just some all-around great ideas for whether or not you're planning on building your dream cargo camper toy hauler, or a great place to start if you're looking for a company that can build more of what you're looking for in an all-aluminum trailer. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a great day. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for current updates on what we're doing. And as always, you can find the build list for the products we've used so far in our cargo conversion in the description of this video. Thanks, guys. Y'all have a great day.